This is the only way down. Hold on, I'm gonna try something. Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! Yeah, DJ, we need the tent. Leave it to Luke. I'm an expert. Oh, I did it wrong again. No, Luke, it's perfect. Just hold it at the bottom of the zip line. Okay, Maxwell, send everyone down. It's zipline time.
Do it, Ricky. Look, just what we need. Blip, you first.
But don't look down. Don't look down.
We've got you, Blip.
You're next, Dasher.
Yeah, thanks, Ricky. Awesome ride. Now you, Maxwell.
I used to be zipline champion.
Scootio, let's check out the road ahead. Zoom cam, go! All clear. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, turn me around. Yes! I've got my windshield to the wind again. Thanks, guys. Good job! But we're not done yet. There's one big pothole of a problem ahead. Put on your brakes, Ricky. They are on. My tyres are too worn down. You guys go. I'll stick with Ricky.
DJ, can you move these barricades?
With these tyres, I can move anything. Now, if I can just keep going straight. Luke's got you covered. I got it! Yes! I think I've skidded far enough. How about we get me to stop? How do we do that? Let's find out how awesome those new tyres are. Bye, buddies! Wheel it in! Perfect! Now everybody brake! That's it! Slower! Slower! Phew. Thanks, guys. I don't know what I would have done without you. Wide enough for 3 wheels now. You kind of have to take it slow. It's definitely wider.
Try out one of the tunnels.
Can I just do the ramp again? You should really try the tunnels. They're the fun parts. Yeah, fun.
Wait! Hold on! Loose boat!
loose. We need to tighten it up. Help!
Everything's okay, Scootio. Rev on! Safety first. Come on down, Scootio.
Thanks, DJ. I didn't know how I was ever gonna get down from there. Whee! Woohoo! Whoa! Whippy!
Yeah! DJ, you're amazing! So much candy! Shh! Here he comes! Oh, over there!
That must be him.
On the count of 3. 1, 2... Lou! I said on the count of 3. I forgot what number 3 was!
The ghost bike is getting away again.
After him!
It's over there.
Follow the sweet wrappers! Over here, guys! The ghost bike must be hiding underneath that ramp!
We got it, Carnage.
I know that sound! Mr. Speedy? That's Toot's toy! And here's Buster's toy badge! I'm not sure there's a ghost bike at all! Okay, you two, come on out!
Toot and Buster?
Ricky, you scared us.
But you scared us!
We thought you were a real ghost bike.
I knew we used too many glow-in-the-dark sparkles.
So that's why everyone kept speeding away from us and dropping their goodies. Here, Luke, we've got your treats.
Yes! All of my precious candy! You didn't eat any of it, did you?
Pull me up.
I've got you!
Wow!
Yeah! It's a flying slide!
Thanks, Ricky.
Can you fix it, DJ?
I'll try. It's no good. It's too high.
You guys up here? What are you doing?
We're trying to fix the satellite dishes so your gadgets will work again.
But the control panel is broken and we can't reach it.
Or it's just pretending to be a firework.
Aw, you guys came all the way up here for me. DJ, aren't you afraid of heights?
No? Yes!
I have the best friends. My scoot box can fix it. Scoot box, fix it.
Grappling hook, go! Gotcha, little scoot box. They did it! Clever scoot box. right. The's nothing there. Oh, no. It's back in the clubhouse. Come on.
What's going on?
No! Stop! You're invisible! Why would you need a photo booth?
Wait a minute. That looks like
A scoot bop!
a scoot bop. It's not invisible. It's a scoot bop, and it's playing tag.
This whole time, it was trying to play.
Can you turn it off?
Not without catching it first.
Well then, I guess we're playing Tiny Robot Tag.
Whoa! I'm coming to get you! Loop's coming! Yeah! It's headed for the DJ booth!
Cutie.
Good job, Toot. Okay, little Bop. Time for a nap.
Now that we have Toot's friend under control, we better get to work cleaning up the party zone.
What a disaster! Yeah, and with the fireworks used up, we don't even have a present for Maxwell anymore.
Maybe the bops can help.
What are you thinking, Toot?
Squeak awesome! Steel awesome to the rescue!
You'll never get past me, Steel Awesome. I am the bad guy.
You didn't count on my wheel whirlwind ninja bike.
Your whirlwind is too strong, I guess. I am defeated for some reason.
I'm fine! Oh no, Toot!
Dear. Wow! Now I really am helpless. Help me, Ricky.
Toot! Time to zoom for real! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Hang on!
Hurry up, Ricky.
I've got you, Toot. Here we go. Hold on!
You're the best, Ricky.
Awesome! Incredible! Steel Awesome did it! Go on, Ricky! Yeah! It's getting faster! I don't know if I can stop it!
We got you, DJ. Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! Super strength, DJ! I'm trying! We have to make it lighter! I've got it!
That's what gave me super strength!
I told you! It's just a model!
give up, DJ. We can't hold it much longer. But the Ultra Mega Beam isn't real. I don't have super strength.
Yes, you do. Who pulled the float all the way here? You did, even without a real Ultra Super Beam.
That's right. I did. I can do it. I can do it.
He's doing it. DJ, you're doing it.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Bankley. A schedule is a schedule.
Wait! There they are!
Mrs. Bankley, the float is here.
You did it, DJ!
I knew you could do it.
Zoom cam, go!
I'm not sure where the lines used to be, but I know how to solve this. Ricky, can you help Officer Bunker?
Sure can, paint crew leader.
Luke, DJ, follow me. DJ, remove these lines. Luke, start a new line right here.
What are we doing? There were no lines here before.
I know, just trust me. Ready? And brush. 1, 2, 3, brush. 1, 2, 3, brush. 1, 2, 3.
Officer Bunker, can I help?
Oh, I don't know, Ricky. It's a code 14. Officer, really stuck. Well, let me think now. Would that be a code 54 or is it a code 56?
Is there a code for Ricky to the rescue? Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! Grappling hook, pull!
Almost! Code 14? No, code 13! Down to code 12! Almost there! Whoa! Code 0! Officer in charge again!
There, that should do it. See, it's a roundabout.
Thank you, Ricky. Can we turn that music down?
Sorry.
So it was your garage that helped make Wheelford the great town it is today. Great story, Maxwell.
Yeah, I can tell it again in close-up if you want.
Cool, Toot.
I look good in close-up.
Oh, Toot.
Not a light. Not a light. Ooh, what's this?
Oh! What's happening? Am I doing something funny?
Toot is so funny.
Can I see what we've got on the camera so far? The stuff with me and Maxwell.
Yeah, okay, let me find it. Not that. That was the best.
Did you get any video of me?
Oh, yeah, totally. Let me just... maybe no. Hold on.
Not a light.
There's got to be.
Good in close-up.
Oh, this one. No. No.
Oh, these are all shots of Toot.
Sorry, Ricky. She was really funny.
Yeah. I almost flooded my engine laughing.
I wasn't trying to be funny. I was trying to get a light so I could make a movie with you guys. And I did! Yeah!
Well, let's go interview Officer Bunker.
And this time, keep the camera on the real action, okay?
Oh!
It doesn't matter. I'm never going to deliver enough pizzas to break Dad's record.
No! You can't give up now. Where's your first delivery?
Maxwell's service station.
Let's go. Here you are. Now hurry.
I'm never going to break the record.
Well, you're not going to break it if you don't try. Pizza delivery.
My pizza?
I know. It's late.
In all my years of ordering pizzas, I don't think I've ever had one delivered so fast. Good job, Blip.
That went perfectly. Bike buddies, I've got pizzas to deliver. Who's with me?
Bike buddies and Blip, go!
Ricky, pizza me. Oh, I spilled the push pins. That's the one thing I was supposed to not do.
I got it. Watch out.
Maxwell, we have a 4-3-2. It's a giant disaster.
We just finally started playing.
We told Maxwell we'd help him for the day, so that's what we should do, right?
Let's do this.
We can help. Officer Bunker, this is Ricky Zoom. Maxwell is, busy, but we can help.
Ricky, there's been a big pushpin spill. A whole lot of bikes have flat tires. We need to tow them to the garage and fix their tires.
We're on it, Officer Bunker. Okay, buddies, it's going to be a lot of work. But Maxwell and the whole town needs us. Rev and roll!
Let's do this.
Oh, found the tyre patches.
Boom! Perfect!
I'll start towing the bikes.
Come on, Scootbox, this way. Come on. To the left, to the left. Up, just a little bit. Oh, no, down, down. Good job, Scootbox.
Or teach your dad how to speak drone. Come on, we have to catch up. It's blocked.
Oh, hello, DJ and friends. We need to get across.
We can't right now. We have got this very big pipe, you see.
But I have to get across. I just have to. I made a mistake and I have to fix it.
We can't get it out of the way. But what if the pipe is the way?
rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
I'm speeding up again!
Where are we? I still can't see.
Ah, just as relaxing as I remember.
Oh, look! It's Maxwell! I know! New plan! Scootio, skatebox, go! This is our last chance! Scootbox, flip him upside down! What? Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go!
Hooray!
We stopped! I mean, I totally couldn't see what happened, but you did it!
Oh, hello, Blip. Come to watch the sun.
Maxwell, we might have some things that need fixing.
How's that? Better?
Oh, much better. Thanks, Maxwell.
Now then, what about this traffic light?
Oh, yeah.
All aboard the bike train! One-way express to the bike lane.
Zoom cam, go! Zoom cam will show us the quickest way back to Maxwell's. There it is!
Let's go!
We've made it!
Yeah! Now time to get this wax off. Blip!
Help!
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
I don't want to go in the water. It's wet.
Grappling hook, go!
Hey?
Let's get everybody slippery. Scootio! Wax remover?
2 drops, no more.
No ding. Good. I'm done with dings. I'm just going to be careful to stay clean all on my own.
Oh, great job, kids.